Hey guys, Christian here, and in today's video we're gonna install the new M3 steering wheel I've just bought. So the condition of it's not the best, but it's much better than the one I have in. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, this is my old steering wheel, the normal sports wheel or what you can call it. And here is the M3 wheel compared. It's a bit thicker and in my opinion much better looking. It doesn't have this hole down here. So let's get into it. So I'm going to reuse my airbag because if you see the condition of mine and like compared to the one I got on the M3 steering wheel, mine is in much better condition. So I'm gonna reuse my airbag. This one is, I got it with the other steering wheel, but it's not as good a shape as mine. So I'm gonna reuse mine. I'm gonna reuse my buttons of this steering wheel as well, because the old buttons here are quite in bad shape compared to the ones I have here. So to get the buttons out, there's a small T20 screw in here. One more over here, so you can see. As soon as you take this bolt out here and here, and the two behind the steering wheel over here, then you can actually just pull this whole contact with the whole plastic part with the buttons, and you cannot use this down the part underneath. You can only use the top part with the buttons. So to get this off, inside of here there's two screws, one over here. I need to focus, give me a second, doesn't want to focus, like that. This here, and one more on the other side. So just take these two off, and then you can actually take the top part with the buttons away from the bottom. Like so. That's what actually just these two bolts from underneath here. And now we can mount this one to the new steering wheel over here. So I came across the problem on my M3 steering wheel. There was 4 bolts holding down the buttons, 2 on each side. On the other one there's only 2. So I cannot get to these ones in here because of the plastic right here. So if you have a T20 screwdriver, normal screwdriver like this, is a 320, you can get it, but I don't have it. So the thing I need to do, I'm gonna remove the buttons. You need a very small screwdriver. There's 4 screws on each like part of the button, so then you can remove them. Then you can take the whole plastic out, and then you can remove the small bolts down here. So let's do that. So my camera ran out of battery, so I'm just gonna use my phone. So I've got the new buttons on now. So now I just need to screw these two screws down here, and the screw one here, and one here as well. And then we can mount the steering wheel back. So guys, always remember to torque down the steering wheel. You need to use 62.5 Newton meters on your torque range. So just always torque it down.